All right, guys, so here I am about to start cold calling again. So you guys are holding me accountable, right? I'm all about accountability. And by me putting this camera on, it just helps me to stay accountable. So I'm going to start my cold calling sessions. My goal every day is to do 100 cold calls a day. 100 cold calls from my list. So far I've been doing everything I needed to do. Yesterday I went driving for dollars. I'm going to put that into my CRM later on in the week because I have my whole schedule mapped out here. And today, I'm just going to start cold calling. So thank you for being on this journey with me. I really appreciate it. We're going to celebrate when I tell you guys I got my first deal, right? When I get this deal, that's going to be the end all that be all, because once I get this deal, you know, I'm quitting my job by June, which is my birthday month. Right now it is November, so just to be totally transparent, it's November right now. I've been at this job since 2019. Remember, I came back from Florida early 2019. I had to hustle, guys. I was even waitressing. I was waitressing at IHOP because I had lost everything. I lost everything. I lost my house. I didn't have a car. I mean, I made videos about it. Go back to my old videos to hear how I just lost everything because I got sick. I went through a breakup. It was just terrible emotionally. And it destroyed my health for a minute. But now I'm stronger than ever, and mentally, physically, emotionally. And now it's time. I've been putting all my systems together, right? So my businesses, all of my online success coach. Last year, I started a gifting circle, which turned into a crowdfunding platform. If you're interested in that, let me know. Send me an email at bossladiceo9@gmail.com. I can tell you more about that, how you can get your business funded and things like that. Personally, it's great. I've been doing some great things and still holding on to my 9 to 5, but my goal is to quit that 9 to 5 by my birthday in June. It may happen sooner, but that is my goal. So remember, you got to have your why when you're doing these things. And I'm excited to have you here on this journey, being fully transparent, being fully open and honest, showing you what it takes, showing you the grind, right? Showing you the grind. It's not easy cold calling. People have cursed me out. People have said all types of things to me. And then I have the nice people, right? They're really nice. I don't want to sell their house just yet, but they're really nice. And I'm just looking forward to, after I'm finished this wholesaling, to go into the pretty house business where I will be buying and selling pretty houses. But you got to start somewhere. So this is the first thing that I found out about, which is wholesaling. Going to continue to do this until I learn more about the pretty house business. So again, glad to have you on this journey with me. About to get to cold calling, and thank you for the accountability. All right, guys, I love you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.
In your touchtone phone, please enter your PIN number. Your PIN number can be found. You are now logged into the Mojo Dialer. Please press the start button on your screen to begin calling.
100 calls.
I'll call you back. Thank you.
That was an answer machine, I believe. So I have about 800 leads in here, so it's going to take me about 8 days to get through this whole list. And I'm sending out yellow letters.
Please leave your message for. Hello?
Hi, Patrick.
No, it's not Patrick.
Oh, is this Mr. Bennett?
Who is this?
Hi, I'm calling. My name is Danielle. I'm calling in regards to Mr. Bennett's property.
Okay.
Yeah,
It is
so,
not Patrick. I'm sorry.
oh, okay. Is this the right number or is this the wrong number?
What is it in reference to?
Yeah, well, I'm calling because my
What's the property?
yeah, well, I'm calling because my company just bought a home right near his, and I just wanted to reach out to him personally to see if to make him an offer on his home, to see if he was interested in selling.
He's not gonna sell it. I'm his brother, though.
Oh, okay, not interested. Okay, not a problem. Have a good evening.
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye bye. See, that wasn't so bad. Some people are nice. To cold call, you gotta know your why. Period, point blank. You gotta hustle and know your why. That's the only thing that's gonna keep you going, keep you doing this, because this is brutal. I'm not gonna lie, it's brutal. It's not fun. And if you can outsource it, you should. So once I start getting more leads and things like that, I'm gonna outsource this. But I want to get the practice. That's why I'm doing it myself right now. But I'm gonna outsource this to a cold caller. But I have to at least close one deal so I can tell the cold caller exactly what I want them to do. I can't tell somebody what to do if I don't know how to do it, right? I have to learn it first.
Forwarded to an automatic voice message system. Reached mailbox number.
Hello?
Hello, Asani?
Yes.
Hi, Asani. My name is Danielle, and I'm calling in regards to your property.
My property?
Yeah, do you own property there?
What wrong with it?
Nothing's wrong with it. I was just calling because my company just bought a house right near that property, and I was trying to call to see if you were interested in selling and make you an offer. Is that your home? Are you the homeowner?
No, I'm not selling. The people are selling from it. Why would you think I'm selling?
No, just asking.
I don't appreciate you calling me.
Really? Well, you know, you're.
Yeah. Well, I'm
Okay.
calling my phone back because I don't afford to.
Say that again?
Why would you be calling me?
Okay, well, I'm just calling the houses in the area just to see if anybody wants to sell. That's all. All right. Have a good evening. All right. Okay, not a problem. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'll put him on a do not call because he said he wouldn't appreciate me calling him. See, when you get those, ooh, it makes you cringe.
Please leave your message for 2.
It makes you cringe, and it's like, ugh, you know, but that's okay. You're going to get those.
Hello. Please leave a message.
That's why you can't take it personally, you know? So if you're a very sensitive person, and I'm pretty sensitive, this is not for the faint at heart. Not at all. So if somebody says, don't call me again, you have to put them on a do not call list. There's a guy who was really rude to me. I don't know if I put him on a do not call list. I'm going to have to find that number and make sure that I take him off my list so I don't contact him again. I know this is not fun watching, but those of you who are still watching, thank you. If this is something that
I'm sorry, your message cannot.
if this is something that you're going to be doing in your business, this is it. I'm showing you the real of it. The good, the bad, and the ugly.
Please leave your message.
You have to go through a whole lot of no's before you get to the yeses. So that's what I keep telling myself. Every no is closer to a yes. Every no is closer to a yes. Every no is closer to a yes. And then I have people that call me back. So that's why I want the VAs to answer those calls, to screen them. I do have an inbound script.
Hello?
Hello, Ghislaine?
Hello?
Hello, is Ghislaine? Ada?
No, this is not Ada, but this is his friend.
Okay, hello, Ghislaine. My name is Danielle, and I'm calling in regards to your property.
I mean, I cannot speak on regard to his property, you know.
Oh,
None of his plans.
okay.
Yeah.
Not a, oh, you're related to him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you know. Okay, not a problem. Have a good evening.
All right.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Your call
Got
has
my
been
green
forwarded
tea.
to an automated voice messaging system.
Got my green tea to keep my mouth, nice and moist. So I've done $28 so far. Only 72 more to go.
Hello, we are not.
Takes about 45 minutes to dial $100. So I'm not gonna keep you on here the entire time, but
Please leave your message.
I get a lot of answering machines, wrong numbers. It's brutal. It's brutal, but it'll be worth it.
Hello, please leave a message.
Mark my words. Watch my journey and mark my words. All right. I'm gonna cut it off, and please subscribe to my channel. And I'm sorry, I'm listening. And I'll see you guys next time.